Hello, my people. How you all doing? Hope you all good. Yeah, I quickly want to show us how I made these $90 plus, like almost $100 plus. It was 2 and 3, one versus 5 and 1 versus 1. How I make that in matter of some minutes, like 30 or 40 minutes, 30 or maybe an hour. I spotted this FFG, and I spotted this FFG in the morning. It's appearing in 4 hours time frame, and also appeared in 3 hours time frame. Can you see this? So our entries there, we are still waiting for this, and once we get here, we surely swing. So that was my first conferences that I spotted. So the second conference is that I just have to go to the workshop to see what's really happening there, and I could see that Bitcoin was buying and respecting this trend line. Immediately price broke out the trend line, I updated my people that, guys, we will be selling Bitcoin index. Can you see this? If the broker come on Bitcoin index, if the broker come on Bitcoin, they will be selling it. Then immediately I spot out everything, and then so this what happened after the breakout. I could confirm that price wanted to give me one model that I know about. Yeah, is HBT model that I want. Once I see it, it's my A plus setup. Once I see it, I always win. I always hit on this. So we confirm the breakout, and the price gave us the BOCTL, that is the breakout. And watch out again, we have our first MSS here, and we also clear our IRL. Immediately we clear IRL, I just know that no matter what, this thing is selling to where I'm looking at, which is this very zone here. So I was just so happy confirming this first one, the MSS, the retest, and but I wasn't having that confirmation yet. All the confirmation that I only confirmed the BOCT, although I've entered from here, I reached from here, I entered from here. So but for me to give a clean signal, I waited for the BOS. I waited for the MSS to market shift everything. I waited for all this. Then once I confirm, I just give the signal to my people that, okay guys, this thing is selling, let's have the sell. And then moreover, so these are all what that was confirmed. We confirm on IRL. All the SB students understand this. We have confirmed the ERL, and as I always say, if you are yet to confirm your MSS, if your MSS is yet to come out, I think most of you know this. MSS is a market structure shift. So if you haven't confirmed your MSS, your IRL or ERL is invalid once you have seen it. But once you have confirmed your MSS, forget. And that is the first thing that I firstly confirm here, and also confirm here. I also confirm here. So MSS will confirm twice, the first one here and then the second one there. So but though I was waiting for entry at this IRP, I got this entry, came into this IRP. I'll be using Lotus 10. I don't care, I'll be using Lotus 10 because it's an entry model that I'm well familiar with, and it's still playing out. So we will be taking our final profit once price getting to the TP2, which is around this zone. So we're still waiting for price to have some for, and we'll surely be having the swing later on. So guys, if you really want to enjoy all this setup, all these signals, just apply for the HB mentorship or apply for the signal service that we provide. And also I'm going to be doing something next for those that don't even want to they don't have time. Let's say you like to train on your own. I'll be dropping my my what is it called, my account, but the investor password for those that are interested. My investor password for those that are interested. So every signal that I enter, you will be copying it. There's a way you can set it as an alert on your phone. On MetaTrader 5, there is features for that now. You set an alert for it, so every time that I open a trade, it will come out as an alert on your phone. Most part your MetaTrader 5 is on, it will, and there's a data on it, it will come as an alert. And once you see that, just take that signal, and that comes with a fee. So I don't know if you want to be entering every signal that I enter. Sometimes I enter some profitability signals and I don't even drop it in in my group. Maybe I just want to take that signal only. But if you go for that kind of package, you will surely enjoy all my signals. So guys, I see you on the next one. Wow, we are back to 109. So enjoy guys, and stay blessed. Like, share and subscribe. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe. Bye for now guys.